हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। मैं हूं आपका फिल्मी लौंडा एंड आज का टॉपिक है इंडिया की सबसे पहली 3D फॉर्मेट फिल्म कौन थी। आई नो सब लोग तो ऑब्वियस आंसर्स देंगे, कोई बोलेगा छोटा चेतन, उर्मिला मातोंडकर, बट योर आंसर इज नॉट रॉन्ग, बट दैट्स नॉट अ करेक्ट आंसर आइदर। द फर्स्ट 3D फॉर्मेट फिल्म इन इंडिया, the name of the film is My Dear Kuti Chathan, which is a Malayalam film which released in the year 1984. It was directed by the visionary director Jiju Punus, who finally one fine day decided to try something new, something unique. So he went all the way to America. He learned 3D technology. He also recruited a 3D expert from America. He also bought a 3D camera and he wrote a film which could justify this 3D format. It was a children's film. So it released in the year 1984 and it was a revolution, and all the audience with so much excitement, enthusiasm, all wore 3D glasses to view the film. And मुझे पता चला with my research that before this movie started, Mr. Bachchan and various celebrities, even the Prime Minister of that time, gave some encouraging words. एंड मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ कि छोटा चेतन इज नॉट द रॉन्ग आंसर आइदर, बिकॉज यही फिल्म, मलयालम फिल्म माई डियर कुटी चट्टन, वॉज रीमेड with extra footage in the year 1998 in Hindi, which was called Chota Chetan. तो यहाँ पर they reshot some portions, they added some footage of Urmila Matondkar, Shakti Kapoor, so that it's more viable, and also updated the 3D version. So it was a total new film. And 2010, they also remade this in Tamil, a remastered version with Prakash Raj as the main villain. And I believe recently they have remastered and released a new latest format, and of course added few more scenes. So Chota Chetan is also wrong, not a wrong answer, but the first अगर बोलूँ तो is the Malayalam film My Dear Kuti Chathan. My God, मुझे भी पता नहीं था, but as I was doing my research, because I always knew that Chota Chetan is the first 3D film, but इसका original, the main OG film was this Malayalam film directed by the genius. Imagine that time 1984 में किसी ने सोचा कि मैं 3D फिल्म बनाऊंगा, वो भी इंडिया में. And you know, I really can imagine how all the audience was so excited to watch the film through 3D glasses. My God, it was quite a revolution. अभी तो बहुत कुछ 3D में हो रहा है, but इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी फिल्म ये थी. And do watch छोटा चेतन, it's on YouTube. 3D में तो देखने को मिलेगी नहीं, but do watch it. It's not a bad film. The songs are very nice. More insights, please subscribe to my channel Think Deep. I'll be back soon. Lots of love.